Okay, today we're going to find out if gasoline can clean these carboned out spark plugs. So let's get started.
Use primer right here. I got some of this
5W30.
Oh, it's
Mine's
like
45. Good for storage.
That's air floor cleaner.
Out of the body. Air intake.
Okay, what we got here today is 4 gasolines and 4 carboned up spark plugs. Now let's see which gasoline can actually clean off the carbon on these spark plugs. We got a Pride, Mobil, and Shell, and these are all premium gasolines. They're 93 octane. And we got a True Fuel from Home Depot. It's a non-ethanol fuel. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these spark plugs into the containers, these little bowls, and then I'll pour the gas in, and we'll see which ones can clean better. So I'll show you them up close. There it is. You can see they're pretty well carboned up. One of those 2 bowls. These 2. See, these are pretty carboned up. Okay, so I'll start putting some gas into the bowls. Okay, we'll start with the Pride. What I'll do is I'll leave these in here for 1 hour. Come back and see what they look like. And then I'll probably leave them overnight. All pretty clear. Okay, I'll set the timer. Alright. I'll come back in 1 hour and see what they look like. Okay, I went a little over an hour. Let's check these guys out, see how they're doing. Okay, we got the Pride here. Let me get the focus. And there's not much going on here. No, there ain't much at all. It's a little bit on the bottom, but not too much. How about the Mobil? Same thing, not much going on. Hope this experiment ain't gonna be a dud. The Shell's got a little bit of stuff there in the bottom. Not much though. And how about this non-ethanol stuff? It's got a little bit on the bottom too. Not much. This one's clearer than the other 3. See the difference? That one's clear. It's got like a... These other ones got like a gold tint to them. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to have to let these sit overnight and see how they look in the morning. Because there's not much going on with them right now. So I'll be back in 1 second of your time and about 12 hours of my time. Alright, be right back. Okay, so they've been sitting overnight, about 18 hours. And I had this plastic cover over them so they wouldn't evaporate, because gas likes to evaporate. So let's check these guys out. Here's the Pride. And there's a little bit of stuff there. You see it on the bottom? See a little bit. I mean, I already looked at all these. I would think the, you know, the top tier fuels would do the best because of the, supposedly got detergents in them. You can see some stuff on the bottom. Supposedly they got more detergents. But actually, the Shell did pretty good. A little more stuff here. You can see bigger stuff in here. And the ethanol-free stuff, the True Fuel, called, I got at Home Depot, actually got a lot of stuff in it too. And see, this one stayed clear, whereas these other ones got a yellowish tint to them, or gold tint. But I would say the Shell and the True Fuel did the best. And the Mobil and the Pride, not so much. Let me pull away from these guys and we'll look at each plug. Okay, let's look at the Pride plug. Zoomed in. Compare it to this True Fuel plug. The True Fuel looks a little bit cleaner. Yeah, definitely cleaner. Let's compare it to the Shell. Yeah, the Shell looks cleaner too. It's right in here, the center part of it. Looks cleaner than this one. And how about the Mobil? The Mobil looks cleaner too. Actually, the Pride looks like the worst. Huh. Well, I guess there is something with the top tier then. Yeah. But out of these four, I would have to say the Shell and the ethanol-free True Fuel did the best. And probably the Mobil third, Pride last. What do you guys think? Hey, put your comments down below. Hey, if you guys got some ideas for future videos with spark plugs or gasoline or fuel injector cleaner or what have you, I'll try and do a video of it. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.